Oke, kita ketemu lagi di presentasi yang ke-13. Sekarang kita akan menjelaskan tentang computer program and programming language. Oke, next. Computer program and programming language. A computer program is a series of instructions that direct a computer to problem tasks created by a programmer user a programming language. Low level language. Machine language is the first generation of programming language. Only language the computer directly recognizes. Okay, next. Assembly language is the second generation of programming language. Programming with introduction using symbolic instruction codes. A course program contain the code to be compressed to make it language. Okay, next. In a procedural request, the programmer with instruction to tell the computer what to accomplish and how to do it. This generation request 3GL. Oke, next. Nah, ini adalah contoh product request. Ya, kita lanjut. The C programming language is used to with many of today program. COBOL Common Business Question Request is designed for business application but exists to read because of the English-like statement. Okay, next. Object-oriented programming language and program development tool. An object-oriented programming (OOP) language allows programmers the ability to reuse an object existing object. Other advantages include object and be reused. Programmers create operation faster. Work well in a read environment. Most program development tools are IDEs. Okay, next. The Microsoft Net framework allows almost any type of program to run on the internet or an internet using network is well as computer and mobile device. Tool include contohnya seperti CL command, request runtime, classes dan lain-lainnya. Oke, next. Visual Studio is Microsoft's third of program development tool. Visual based on the basis programming language. Visual is based on C++. Visual C combines the programming element of C++ with an Azure reverse the command environment. Oke, kita next. A visual programming language is a language that uses a visual or graphical interface for creating a source code. Fortran DeVi is a powerful program development tool that is ideal for building large-scale interface and web applications in a read environment. Okay, next. PowerPoint is a powerful program development tool based for map, WebNet, net, and layer case internet object-oriented application. Nah, ini contohnya ada di sebelah. Oke, next. Empat GL for generation request is a non-procedural request that enables user and programmer to access data in a database. In application generator is a program that creates source code or mesh code from a specification of the request functionality. Ya, ini contohnya sebagai berikut. A macro is a series of statements that structure an application how to complete a text. User create the macro in one of the ways. Record the macro with a macro recorder with the macro. Oke, kita next selanjutnya. HTML is a special formatting links that programmer user to format document for display on the web. HTML is a markup requirement that allow web sites to be displayed or easy on mobile device. XML allow web developer to create communities text and user produced text to display content its property on various devices. WML is a subset of XML and is used to design pages for Microsoft Word. Two applications of XML, RSS 2.0 and Atom. Nah, ini dia contohnya. Itu apa? Bisa dilihat sendiri. Webpack development. Web browsers can use soft program to add interactive element to web pages to send and receive information between your computer and a web server. This program uses the CGI Common Gateway Interface. Contohnya seperti script, applet, server, active, dan control. Oke, next. Nah, ini dia cara contoh-contohnya webpack development. Programmer with script, applet, server, or attack control using a variety of requests terdiri dari JavaScript, Vir, PHP, React, TCL, VBE script. Oke, next. Dynamic HTML allow web developer to include more graphical internet interface and interactivity. Ruby on Rails provides technologies for developing object-oriented database-driven web sites. Web 2.0 allow web sites to provide a means for user to. Contohnya seperti share personal information, allow user to modify website content, have application software built into the site. An API enables programmers to interact with an environment such as a website or operating system. Ya, ini contohnya bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, next. Webpack authoring software and creates sophisticated web pages that include images, video, audio, animation, and other effects. Remember Expression Web Flash SharePoint Designer. Multimedia authoring software allows programmers to submit text, graphics, animation, audio, and video in an interactive presentation. Program development. Program development consists of a series of steps programmers user to build computer program. Ya, ini contohnya bisa dilihat sendiri, program dokumen LibSketch dan sistem development LibSketch. Step 1. Analyze requirement. To internet program development, programmer reviews the requirement met with the system analysis and user interface input processing and output. Step kedua, design solution. Design a solution algorithm in to read design the programmer step begin with a general design and move toward a more detailed design. Programming use a heuristic to solve program methodologically. Step kedua, design selection. With object-oriented OO design, the programmer package the data and the program into a single object interaction. Step 2 masih design selection. Ini contohnya. The selection control structure till the program with action to take basis on a selection contaction terdiri dari if then else dan case. Nah, ini contohnya juga design selection. Oke, next. The repetition control structure enables a program to perform on one or more action repeatedly as long as a correct connection is made. Producer use a context from English to convey program logic. Okay, next. UML Unit Foundation Language has been adopted is a standard notation for object modeling and development. Implementation of the design include using a program development tool that assists the programmer by generating, uploading some or all code, writing the code that transfer the design into a computer program, creating the user interface. Extreme programming is a strategic way programming immediately begin coding and testing selection as soon as requirements are defined. Okay, kita next. The goal of program testing is to ensure the program run correctly and is error-free. Error instructs setting error and reduce error. Debugging the program involves removing the bug. Event is a program that is more or all of its feature and practical environment. In document the solution the programmer perform two activities. Terdiri dari reference the program code, replace all the documentation. Nah, ini contohnya contoh video elektronik as going mobile. Bisa main game segala macam. Smart Creation programming requires unit to create computer program. A party of web development and multimedia development tool. Step in the program development life cycle and tool used to make this project efficient. Oke, ini adalah presentasi yang ke-13. Nanti kita akan bertemu di presentasi yang ke-14.